sklearn. Metrics. R2 score. Description. The R-squared R-score, also known as the coefficient of determination, is a statistical measure that represents the proportion of the variance in the dependent variable that is predictable from the independent variables. It indicates how well the regression model fits the observed data. Inputs. Y true, the true values of the dependent variable. It should be a 1D array-like structure containing the actual target values. YPRED, the predicted values of the dependent variable. It should be a 1D array-like structure containing the values predicted by the model. Outputs. R2, the R-squared score. A float value ranging from 0 to 1. Steps. Calculate the sum of squared errors SSE between the actual values Y true and the predicted values YPRED. Calculate the total sum of squares SST, which represents the total variance in the dependent variable. Calculate the R-squared score as 1 SSE SST. Metrics. R-squared score a value between 0 and 1, where 1 indicates a perfect fit. Visualization plots. Scatter plot of Y true vs YPRED. This plot can visually assess the model's performance. A strong linear relationship with a slope close to 1 indicates a good fit. Residual plot. A plot of the residuals Y true, YPRED against the predicted values YPRED. It helps identify any patterns or trends in the errors. Fine-tune parameters. None. Uncertainty methods. Confidence intervals. These provide an estimate of the range of possible values for the R-squared score, given the data and model. Bootstrap resampling. This method involves repeatedly resampling the data and calculating the R-squared score for each sample. The distribution of these scores can then be used to estimate the uncertainty in the R-squared score. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. Overfitting. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1. When the model is too complex and trained on a small data set, it might memorize the training data and perform poorly on unseen data. Fixes to challenge 1. Regularization techniques like L1 or L2 regularization can penalize complex models and prevent overfitting. Cross-validation. Splitting the data into training and validation sets can help evaluate the model's performance on unseen data. Challenge 2. Multicollinearity. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2 when independent variables are highly correlated. It can lead to unstable and unreliable R-squared values. Fixes to challenge 2. Feature selection. Removing or combining highly correlated variables can improve the model's stability and reduce multicollinearity. Principal component analysis PCA. This method can transform correlated variables into uncorrelated principal components, reducing multicollinearity. Challenge 3. Outliers. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 3. Outliers can significantly influence the R-squared score by pulling the regression line towards them. Fixes to challenge 3. Data preprocessing. Identifying and removing or transforming outliers can improve the model's accuracy and reliability. Robust regression methods. These methods are less sensitive to outliers and can provide more robust R-squared scores. Challenge 4. Nonlinear relationships. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 4. If the relationship between the independent and dependent variables is nonlinear, a linear regression model will not accurately capture the relationship, leading to a low R-squared score. Fixes to challenge 4. Nonlinear regression models. Employing models like polynomial regression or decision trees can handle nonlinear relationships. Feature engineering. Transforming the independent variables using nonlinear functions can improve the fit of linear models.